From rising bank fraud cases, Razorpay's big move to BSNL turning profitable. Here are some top market updates from 30th May 2025 you all need to know. Let's start with a surprising fact from RBI's latest report. In FY25, the number of bank fraud cases dropped by 34% to 23,953. But here is the shocker. The total money lost in these fraud cases jumped by 158% to 36,014 crore rupees. But why? Because a Supreme Court ruling made banks reclassify some old frauds, adding 18,674 crore rupees to this year's total. Private banks had the most number of cases, but public sector banks lost the most money. This shows that while the frauds are fewer, they are getting much bigger. So the RBI is now using stricter checks and AI tools to detect the fraud faster. Next up, a major step by the Razorpay. The fintech company has completed its reverse flip, meaning it will move its parent company from the US to India. This cost them over $200 million in taxes and restructuring, but it's part of their plan to launch an IPO in India by FY26. This move also helped Razorpay follow Indian rules more easily and strengthen its position in India's fast-growing fintech space. Many other startups like PhonePe, Grow, and Zepto are also doing the same, showing a clear trend of Indian startups choosing to grow and list their home country. Now, for a surprising comeback, BSNL has posted a profit after 17 years. In Q4 FY25, it made 280 crore rupees in profit compared to a loss of 849 crore rupees in the same quarter last year. Its yearly loss also came down by 58%. This turnaround was helped by its 4G rollout, better fiber to home services and smart use of its assets. BSNL also cut costs and improved operations, with 27 of its business units becoming EBITDA positive. The government called it a milestone, proving that public sector companies can also succeed with the right reforms and strategies. Lastly, let's talk about Castrol India. The stock that jumped nearly 6% after reports that its parent company, which is BP PLC, is planning to sell its global lubricants business in a big $8 to $10 billion deal. Big players like Reliance, Saudi Aramco, and Brookfield are said to be interested in it. Since Castrol holds about 20% of India's lubricant market, any change in the ownership could impact its branding and future plans. Investors are hopeful that a buyout could unlock more value or bring in new growth strategies. That's a wrap up for today's top stories. Stay tuned for more simple, smart, and market updates.